Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook smooth tender meat cucumber soup. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a piece of pork and cut it into slices. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 spoon of cooking wine. Mix well and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Add 2 large spoons of sweet potato starch into a small bowl. Add some hot water to it. Keep on stirring until it becomes smooth and sticky. Pour it into the pork. Mix well. Now we need to prepare the pot and boil some water. Meanwhile, we can cut some ginger. Put the ginger into the pot. When the water boils, switch to small fire and put the meat into the pot. Don't move the meat once put in water, or else the starch will dissolve into the water. In that case, the soup will become too sticky. Let the meat cook for 10 minutes. During this time, we can cut some cucumber. Put the cucumber into the pot. Now we need to add half teaspoon of salt, some sugar. Let it cook for a short time. Turn off the fire and put the soup into a bowl. Now cut some scallion and put it on top of the soup. And it is ready. The meat is very tender and smooth, and the soup is very fresh. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I will see you guys soon.